I feel weird. Yeah, I don't know. I pretty much had to force myself to do this, to set the camera up and everything else. I don't know. I had an idea about what I wanted this video to be, but every time I go to do it, sit down and talk about it, I just can't. So, I don't know. I just felt like being painfully honest with you guys. Instead of like sitting here and then trying to, fake being happy and excited about something and go through all that. It feels good getting that out. Because I think that's what was holding me back. I think that's what I kept going to sit down to do, and I just couldn't lie to myself and do it. And I couldn't lie to you guys. So yeah, if you can't tell, I've got a little bit different backdrop. I've actually got a different room. It's probably a little echo in here. That's going to change. I'm going to order some soundproofing foam material for the walls and then cover them in that. Hopefully that fixes, I'm sure it will fix the issue. Yeah, so I'm back. Was not sure if I was coming back, and unfortunately, and I apologize for this, most of you probably had no idea that I was gone, except for the fact that I didn't have any more videos coming out since my last one. This Is Why We FPV was my trip to Rampage, the Rampage event. Freaking awesome. And unfortunately, I think that a lot of what I've been feeling has kind of stemmed from that trip. Only because it kind of just solidified in my mind what I'm missing most of the time compared to a good population of the FPV community. That being the camaraderie, somebody to fly with, to hang with, to film with, that kind of stuff. For the record, none of that was fake. I never faked any of the emotions and stuff that I had. Just what I said earlier, I felt like I had to sit down and talk to you guys, but I just don't feel like it. If you stuck around this long, you're here because of me. You deserve to know the truth. And I'm just human. We're all human. So I like to show you guys around the studio for a little bit. I have a little love seat couch here. It's ugly as hell. It's hideous, but you can't see it. It's super cool. But the rest of it's not too bad. I did spend a little bit of time and some money trying to get this thing going. It's actually very ugly as well. You just can't tell because it's in the background and out of focus. But yeah, I just wanted to take this opportunity to touch base with you guys, let you know that ickyverse is not going anywhere, but it is changing. I can't do just FPV. And the reason for that, there's a few reasons for that. Number one being pretty much what I told you already. FPV has shown me, it has given me a passion for filmmaking and for photography, videography, cinematography, all of the ographies, all of them. And there's still work to be done in the FPV community with that. I understand that. And there's a place for me there. But it just turned into a numbers game for me. And it's not healthy. We all know, everybody tells you, it's like, well, do it for you. Don't do it for the number of subscribers or the number of this, or the number of views and stuff. And I didn't want to. I didn't want to do it for that. And I didn't start it for that. But it turned into that because the harder I worked, the longer I worked, the more money I spent on equipment, the better my content got. The more people I respected that watched it and commented positively and just gave me so many praises, the more I saw that, but then saw the numbers not changing and saw other people in the community putting out content and getting tens of thousands of views, it finally started to chip away and eat at me. and I felt that it was unhealthy, so I needed to make a change. So I'm making a change. And I think that after a little bit of thought and stuff, that maybe, I could probably get back into doing just that, but I think that it would probably creep back up, and I'm not going to set myself up for failure. So, that being said, I'm icky. I do a lot of things. I do all the things. So, I don't do just FPV. FPV is a small piece of a little corner, a little chip, a little drop in the icky bucket of things that I can do, have done, will do, and I think that you guys deserve to experience all of it, because I said so. Because I want to film all of it. I want to film all the things. I want to do all the things, and I want to film all the things, not just FPV. So that's going to happen. I was trying to come up with a better excuse and an explanation than that. That just came straight from the heart. There's no other way to put it. It's going to make me happy, and hopefully it will entertain you guys, because ultimately that's why I'm doing it. It makes me so happy to be able to entertain you guys. When it started to turn into a numbers game, my excuse was that, I just wanted to entertain all the peoples. I want to entertain all of them, not 100 of them, and I didn't want to make it personal. And it's not about me. It's not about wanting to be known or seen. I'd wear a mask if it would not be completely unsettling. But, so I don't know what that rant was going towards. But, anyways, I'm going to be doing all kinds of things. I need some help. I've been going through, I swear to God, if you can hear that cat. Now she's not doing it. Anyway, I've been going through some titles, some names of the channel, and I can't quite figure it out. I want it to be catchy, but I want it to be something where, if somebody sees it, the name of it, they kind of have an understanding about what it is, but also a curiosity. If I just named it the ickyverse, the curiosity's there, but they don't really know what it is, and they won't click on it. So, I guess I got some allergies, which is completely unprofesh. I'm hip now. I should just shorten all my words like that. I don't know, man. So I was thinking Icky does it all. Icky versus the world. What else? The Ickyverse just isn't. Icky does everything. Icky does everything. Was my original idea. I was what do I do? Well, I do everything. Let's just make a channel about me doing everything. Well, Icky does everything. So I might do that. You guys got any ideas? Let me know. Let me know what you thought about the ones that I came up with just on the fly, and put them down in the comments below. If you guys, let me know what you think about my decision. Let me know what you think about what's going on here. How do you like the new backdrop? I know all you guys support me. I know that. I really do appreciate that. I will be doing FPV still. I still fly. I need batteries. I don't have any batteries. I destroyed the last ones that I had at the Rampage event, and so anyways, I'm gonna get some. I've got some product videos to shoot. I'm gonna put out another video after this one to show you guys some of the product videos that I've shot already, and then some other projects that I'll be doing. But still here. Still doing it. I'm liking this space. I feel like I can be a little more creative. I can spread out. I mean, I'm chilling on this freaking couch, man. It's awesome. So if you guys would like to follow along on my journey, that'd be awesome. I'm gonna have some friends. I got room on the couch. I can bring some friends in here. We're gonna be doing stuff, man. I do a lot of things, and hopefully some of it will be entertaining for you guys. So this video has been long enough for me just talking. I feel like I need to offer more than that. But when you see YouTube videos online, a lot of times they don't offer any more than that. So I'm not going to put any flight footage. But what I will tell you is that the next few episodes that are going to be coming out, I'm gonna show you guys the. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do I just figured out what I'm gonna do for an outro. Well, not what I'm gonna do for my outro. I still have to figure out if I'm gonna be like, okay, bye, peace out, or I don't know why I want to do this thing. It just, oh, and there's a microphone right here. That's probably really loud. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do like a next time on the ickyverse or some shit like that, and then it's gonna show. Now this is gonna take some extra processing and like work from me because I'm gonna have to have already recorded what I'm gonna do next time. So I'll have to record 2 episodes ahead, or an episode ahead, while I edit this one. So I'm gonna have to sit down and record something, and then I'll show like a little clip of like what's gonna happen on the next episode. I think that would be kind of fun. So yep. Bye. Oh. Yes. I think I have to address the giant fuzzy elephant in the room, right? The stash is coming back. Some of you guys might have seen some posts on Facebook. Yeah, the stash is coming back. It's gonna be nice, solid, thick handlebar mustache. It's gonna be beaut. I'm a little stubby right now because I'm gonna have some time off from work. But yeah, it's coming back because I never wanted to get rid of it in the first place. Part of it was like it had been clipped off or something. I think a buddy of mine did it while I was sleeping, and it didn't help that I was getting a shit ton of hate because I looked like Mr. Steele and I was trying to impersonate him to get views or some shit. It would be ridiculous if like a large amount of people didn't say that. So now I'm like, okay, whatever. Is that how people think? But yeah, so it was November and they had the No Shave November, and I did that, and I was like, I'm just gonna keep not shaving this part. I got through the like adolescent, prepubescent teenager looking stage, and now I'm like in the porn stash like / pedophile stage. But soon, maybe in a few weeks, I'll be past all of that, and it'll be in the stage. We're gonna see. I actually wanted to do a video about growing the handlebar mustache and like take a video or a picture of me like every day or every few days while I'm like standing still looking at the camera like this or some shit, and like you'll be able to, I'll Photoshop them all together or something and like be able to see it grow. Oh my god, that would be fucking so cool. Okay. I feel like I need to do that. God, it would be so cool. But I'm already like halfway there right now, and I would have to shave it off. I could start from here. I could still do that. I think I'm still gonna do that.
Next time on Icky versus the World.
So I walk out, I turn the corner, got my camera in my hand, and I see this woman painting just on the street this beautiful recreation of the castle. It's just...